Hello guys, cook this delicacy with me. So guys, if it's your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Chinwe Onyemechi, a mom of 5 living in Italy. I said a mom of 5. A mom of 3 living in Italy. So guys, today we are cooking for our family of 5. Yes, so enjoy and cook with me. It's a cook with me video. I don't know what to say, but I just have to do this voiceover. So guys, today we are preparing ogbono and okra soup. So if you know you love ogbono and okra soup, please drop your comments in the comment section. I would like to know how many of us love this soup. So guys, we are trying to chop our onions into small pieces, into nice shapes and nice pieces. I don't even know. For now, we are through. We are putting our okra into our plate. Yes, we are dicing our onions. We are chopping our onions into smaller pieces as well. We chop them into fine pieces and also keep them aside for this recipe. So as we chop, let's continue with the video. So guys, this is our meat. We are adding our chopped onions into this meat. This is not meat, this is pomo. Yes, so I started cooking this pomo on time because pomo is very hard. So I have to cook it on time so that it will get tender before I add every other protein. So guys, we are trying to clean up our veggies because we are going to be using 2 bell peppers for this recipe. If you love bell pepper, is it bell pepper? Sorry, 2 long peppers, bell long, anyone. You already know. Into we have washed it and we have placed into our blender with added onions, and we are going to be introducing our crayfish. This crayfish, I brought this crayfish from Nigeria and it's 7 months with me, and this is the last batch, so I'm trying to be stingy with it, you know. I've washed it before introducing into the blender. Some people don't wash their crayfish before they use, but for me I do. I don't know, it's my personal reason. If you do, indicate it in the comment section. So now we've put everything into our blender. Let's blend our mix. Someone asked me in the comment section that I should please make a review of this blender. Yes, this blender is so lovely, I won't lie. It's so helpful. It blends very fast and the noise is not much. Very silent. It's silent, I won't lie to you. Silent, blends very fast. The cup is glass, the cover is tight. I love the blender. 1200 watts. It can blend pepper, it can blend beans, it can blend even tiger nut. It can blend anything hard and also it can blend anything soft. So the blender is a good buy. If you want to get it, you can as well buy yours. It's nice. So we are done blending our pepper mix. Now we are going to be blending our ogbono. So guys, initially I wanted to cook just okra soup. I didn't want to add ogbono, but later I changed my mind and I decided to add ogbono. That's why I'm blending the ogbono after blending the pepper mix. I'm supposed to blend the ogbono first before the pepper mix, but let's continue blending. So we're blending our ogbono, and this blender blended this ogbono so smooth, so smooth and fluffy. So now we are done blending. Now we are coming back to our meat. At this point the pomo is tender. Now we are introducing the other beef, the rest beef, into the pot so that they can cook as well. They can, you know, now cook as well, mothers, you know. Now our beef is cooked. We put our ogbono into the pot so that it will heat for a while. I don't know who brought this method, but for me it's going well. I like it. So now our meat is cooked very well, very well. We are going to introduce our pepper mix into our pot. We put everything into our pot. Before now guys, I've added pepper. Yes, my scotch bonnet pepper, I always blend it separately, put it in the fridge, so whenever I want to use, I'll just introduce it into the pot. I learned that from Ife's World. She's a YouTuber, she's a mom vlogger. If you have not been following her, please follow her channel, you love it. So guys, I'm introducing our mackerel fish into our soup. You can see the head of fish is really sitting very pretty in the soup. I don't know, I love head of fish. If you love head of fish, please drop it in the comment section, because I always see people cut their own and throw away. I don't know why you throw head of fish away when the juice in it is something else. So now we've turned, we've stirred, we are introducing our ogbono into the pot so that everything will cook well. So that everything will cook very, very well. So if you have watched up to this extent and you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, drop your comments in the comment section. How do you prepare your own ogbono and okra soup? So guys, there are so many ways you can prepare this soup, but I'm just showing you one way. Maybe in future I'm still going to show you another means or another ways I prepare my ogbono soup. So now we stirred, we are covering the pot. I don't cover my pot completely because I don't know why. Growing up, I believe if you cover your pot completely, the ogbono will not draw very well. If you also have that thought or that mentality, or if you have heard something like that, please drop it in the comment section. So we'll stir gently so that our mackerel fish will not break. We'll add our salt. We're introducing our salt, not too much salt, because ogbono and salt are not friends, if you know. So we'll add our stock cube. These are just the only seasonings I'm going to be using for this soup: salt and stock cube. I don't use more seasonings for my soup. I don't know why, I just don't like it. So if you like using seasonings, you can introduce more to your choice. So I'm tasting it now and everything is okay, well combined. The pepper, everything is sitting pretty well. We'll cover again, half covering. Half covering. Now our soup is boiling very well, cooking very fine. We are going to introduce our okra, which is the last thing I'm introducing into the soup. Into our soup, we stir, we combine so that everything will combine very, very well. I've seen people cook soup, okra will be separate, ogbono will be separate, even the oil will be separate. I don't know how it is, but for me, I combine everything and everything is sitting pretty well. Our soup is almost ready. We'll allow it to cook for like 3 minutes and our soup is ready. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you and God bless. You can also introduce your vegetables into this soup at this point if you like. So thank you guys. See you in our next video. Ciao ciao. Bye bye.